Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe and also hit that notification bell for more videos. So for today's video, I'm going to be right now. I'll start by heating my oil. Then as you can see, then I put my french fries inside. Then put them in fridge for 2 good hours. So after 2 hours, remove them. Then after, you fry it again in oil. So I put my chili powder for that good look. I like that orange color. Then after, I put my coriander. I mix them all together. Yeah, you'll see that look. Yeah, I'm done. Guys, if you like my recipe, please make sure you subscribe and also comment down below for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye. I love you.